just put some green Play-Doh to mimic food and plaque and debris. If we have a large brush, then when we're brushing, we're going to miss this debris because the brush is so large, it can't maneuver as well in that area. If you have a small brush, then it's much more nimble at removing and moving around the tooth itself one by one. We're looking to use a small head and one with soft bristles that get into the sides of the teeth and are gentle on the enamel. When you're using a brush, and you need to make sure you're going around the curves of the teeth. So if you have a look over here, the teeth have their own curve which goes from here to there, and then there's another curve of the teeth going across. So you're not just going across like this. What you're doing is you're following the curve of the tooth from the back of the tooth to the front of the tooth. And then there's another curve, which is the curve from the top of the tooth to the bottom. And what people do when they're brushing and they're just going side to side is, especially if they're going side to side on the top, is they're missing the base because they're not following the curve of the tooth from the top to the bottom. When you've got teeth which are crowded, which means they overlap, like this one over here, then again, if you're brushing across, you're going to miss this tooth. And when you're brushing, you want to make sure that you follow the curvature. But in this case, with this teeth overlapping, when you're brushing, you'll need to make sure you have another angle for this tooth. There's one angle for the crowded tooth, and then there's another angle for the tooth next door. When you're using an electric toothbrush, it needs to be a continuous motion, and it does the work for you. So you just need to let it do the work. So rather than using the brush and scrubbing with your hand, all you're going to do is just hold it and just let it do its work. So again, you're following the curve of the tooth from back to front, and you're also following the curve of the tooth up and down. and down. Now with this crowded tooth over there, you need to use a different angle. And you're following the curve from side to side and from top to bottom, just so it reaches the bum line there.